Hello everyone. In today's class what we are going to see is we are going to solve different type of equation, like we have linear equation, we have quadratic equation, then we have cubic equation, then we have quartic equation, and then quantic equation. I mean x to the power 1, then x to the power 2, x to the power 3, x to the power 4, and x to the power 5. Like that type of equations we are going to learn how to solve, and at the same time how to visualize that equation also, that we are going to see. So you know that at first what we have to do, we have to load the package that can assign the variable to different values. So for that what we'll do, we'll load the package that is called as package load, and then that package name is symbolic. Okay, after this we have to go for sims, means we are assigning the variables. So what all the variables we'll be using? We are going to use x, a, b and c. Then we are going to give some equation. So let us give the name of the equation as equation. You can give whatever name you want, a, b, c, d. No, you should not give abc because already abc is assigned. So you can use anything else apart from abc. Maybe you can give l, m, n or something. So now what we have to do, we have to give we'll be giving some equation, like for example we can give ax square plus b into x plus c, and you can see that x, a and b and c all are variables that we have already declared. Now next what we have to do, we have to write the solution of this one. So we'll give the name of the solution as solution. Again you can use whatever you want. Then what we have to do, we have to use the command solve what? So we have to give the equation in the input. So we have to solve this equation with respect to what? With respect to x. We have to solve it for x. So this is very important. Sometimes you need to solve it to find some other values also. That is important. So you have to declare that you want to solve it for what. So that is very important. And then what you have to do, you have to display the solution. Whatever display is coming, I mean whatever solution is coming, that should be displayed in the form of in command window. So that you have to display what? Name of that display is solutions. What we want to display? The solutions, whatever it is coming, because the name here is solutions. So only we have to use it here, then only it will display the value. Now what we'll do, we'll run this code and we'll see. Okay, it will ask you to save it, equation 1, and we'll save it. And now where the answer will come? Answer will come in command window. So you have to go to you should go to command window, then only you will be able to see the answer. So this is the answer. Answer is, it is giving the two roots. One is minus b by 2a minus root under minus 4 into a into c plus b square by 2a. You know that this is the solution. If ax square plus bx plus c, that type of quadratic equation is solved, these are the two roots that it is giving basically. So that I wanted to show. So I have used this one. We can give some other equations also. So let us give something in numeric form. So instead of a, we'll give this time 16. Instead of b, we'll give 2, or instead of c, also we'll give 2. This time we'll try to solve, and it will give you the answer as, we have to again go to the command window and see the answer. So answer is this one, minus 1 by 16 minus root under 31 into I, that is iota, root under minus 1 by 16, and the same values. So we'll go and write something else. This time we'll write 2, and here we'll write 8. Okay, and this time we'll run this code, and this time we'll see the answer. This time it will be giving you the answer as, yes, minus 2 minus root under 3 and minus 2 plus root under 3. So these are the two solutions. Now one more important thing is there, students. This is, if we are solving it for 3, then what it should give? 2x to the power of 2, okay, and then
Subscribe for more
plus,
upcoming content.
we'll give 6 into x to the power, what is happening here, x to the power 3, x to the power 2, and x and then 2. Okay, then we'll try to solve this one. Then let's see whether it is any error is coming or solution is coming. So in this case, this is the solution. So can you see that how the solution is there? It's a very difficult one. If you are trying to solve it, you will get it, this answer actually. So these are the different solutions. So how many solutions are there? 3 into 1. So 3 solutions are there. 1, 2, 3. How many variable? What is the degree of the variable? That many solutions would come. That is the logic. So you can go for anything like, you know that if the equation is having x to the power 1, it means it is ax plus b, like that, in that form, ax plus b equal to something. Then in that case, what is that? That is a linear equation. So linear equation always represents the straight line. When it goes for quadratic equation, it represents the parabola. Like that only, that x to the power 2 is quadratic equation, x to the power 3 is cubic equation, x to the power 4 is called as quartic equation, and x to the power 5 is called as quantic equation, quintic. So like that, you should know that what these equations are called. So likewise, we'll solve this one. Now one more important thing. From previous classes, I think it is very clear to you. If I want to plot this graph also, how the graph will look like. So what we'll do? We'll type EZ plot of what? EZ plot of equation. And that should be plotted in which one? In the figure number 1. So that is the logic. And then we'll try to run this. So this will be the graph and this will be the solution. So I hope it is very clear to you. You can solve this type of equation and at the same time you can visualize that also using EZ plot. Don't use EZ surf because it is not possible to plot 3D plot of this one. That is the thing. Thank you. I hope it is clear.
Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel.